Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1970 Chevy Corvette. This lovely little Vette we have here at Skyway Classics features a black hard top and soft top, as you can see from our pictures. Right now we got the top down since it is a lovely little day, but moving on to the exterior, as you can see, it has that nice fine gray on it, featuring the white letter BF Goodrich tires and the Rally Old Sport wheels. Of course, this was a frame-off restoration car, as we have in our pictures. Features two binders, including wiring diagrams, pictures of the car off the frame. Other than that, as you move on to the inside, we got the twin leather bucket seats, 4-speed manual on the floor. As you can see, we have all of our stock gauges and a black 3-spoke Chevy wheel to give it a little sporty look. Other than that, underneath the hood, featuring a 350 small block motor, Hedman headers, chrome valve covers, and definitely a nice look for this restoration. Of course, now as we take it up the road, we can show you how it really runs. This is truly a classic car that is worth driving. Has that nice hideaway headlight look, especially at night. But if you're looking for something with style, performance, and a well-done restoration, this is the car for you. But as for now, we are just going to get it turned around up on the hoist, so please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.